In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix critical software security update on iPhone notification. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and if you've been seeing that alert pop up, don't worry, it's not an error, it's just your iPhone reminding you that your current iOS version might be outdated or vulnerable. So first, just understand that this notification is coming directly from Apple to encourage you to install the latest security patches. It's actually a good thing because it helps keep your device protected from bugs and potential threats. Now let's go ahead and fix it. I'm going to open the Settings app, the grey gear icon. Once I'm inside Settings, I'm scrolling down and tapping on General. Inside General, I'm tapping on Software Update. This is where your iPhone checks for the latest iOS version available for your device. Alright, now my iPhone is loading the update screen. If there's an available update, you'll see details about it right here, including the version number and what changes or fixes are included. At this point, I'm tapping on Update Now. If your iPhone is plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi, it should begin downloading and installing the update automatically. If prompted, I'm entering my passcode or agreeing to the terms just to continue the installation process. I like to pause here because this step is what removes that notification permanently. Once your iPhone is updated to the latest version, the system recognizes that you're no longer at risk, so the alert stops appearing. Now, depending on the update size and your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. Your iPhone may restart during the process, and that's completely normal. After the update is finished, your phone will boot back up, and you can go back into settings to confirm that you're now running the latest iOS version. And just like that, the critical software security update notification should no longer appear. And that's it. You opened settings, went into general, checked software update, and installed the latest version. Now your iPhone is up to date and protected with the latest security fixes.